In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your payroll settings, focusing specifically on reviewing your expense accounts. This process is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that all transactions are correctly categorized, which can ultimately save you a lot of time and hassle during tax season or financial audits. First and foremost, you'll need to access your payroll settings, which act as the hub for all things related to employee compensation and related expenses. Within these settings, you'll typically find various accounts listed under your payroll section. It's important to carefully examine each one, as these accounts reflect where payroll funds are distributed within your financial system. As you review these expense accounts, pay close attention to the details. Look for any discrepancies or anomalies that might indicate an issue, such as miscategorization of expenses or incorrect amounts. This step is essential because even minor errors can lead to significant problems down the line, affecting everything from financial reporting to compliance with tax regulations. While reviewing, you might find that some accounts are not aligned with your financial practices or objectives. If you notice any accounts that require corrections, it's essential to address these updates promptly. Making sure that your expense accounts accurately reflect your business structure and operations is key to maintaining an organized and effective payroll system. If during your review you discover that past transactions have been recorded incorrectly, it's important to adjust them as needed. Adjusting these transactions can involve recategorizing expenses, modifying transaction amounts, or even transferring funds between accounts to reflect accurate data. Keep in mind that while this process might seem tedious, it's crucial to maintain precise and reliable financial records. At this point, you might wonder how to avoid such errors in the future. One effective way to prevent recurring issues is by setting up a system of checks and balances. This might involve regularly scheduled audits of your accounts, double-checking entries, and ensuring that all transactions are correctly documented at the time they occur. Additionally, considering the use of accounting software or professional assistance can greatly enhance the accuracy and efficiency of managing payroll records. Finally, after making all necessary adjustments and corrections, it's a good idea to conduct a brief analysis. Review how these changes impact your overall financial picture. Do you see an improvement in the clarity and accuracy of your records? Are you better equipped to make informed financial decisions? This analysis not only helps underscore the importance of maintaining up-to-date payroll settings, but also guides you on how to refine your processes moving forward. In summary, reviewing and correcting your payroll settings and expense accounts occasionally may seem like a complex task, but it's an indispensable part of managing a healthy financial system. By investing a little time today, you're ensuring smoother operations and eliminating potential headaches tomorrow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into managing your financial records with ease and expertise.